right back to us literally I could walk. It was tractors, tractors, tractors. I can see the thread of that interest from when I was a child right to where SlurryKat is today. The spreading range has massively changed, but the core things are still there, and we're still one of the only tanker manufacturers that manufactures the complete package, the spreading system and the tanker all in one unit. Our product does the talking in the field, more so than anyone can ever do. Way back at the beginning, we started in the contract workshop, which is the very first building on the site where you come in. That has massively changed to where we are today, and the site is a completely different animal, and to be honest, it has changed every year in the last 15 years. I remember thinking, how are we ever going to fill this? You know, we have arrived. It was like an aircraft hangar compared to the early couple of buildings that were before that. I'm looking to the 2030, 2035, 2040 is where I'm going, and I see further expansion and investment to come in the future as well. The vision has always been to be the world's #1 slurry spreading technology manufacturer, and I think we're well on the way to that vision.